What's your name?
My name is Talha Islam Abid.
Where are you from?
I am from Lalkhan Bajar.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Alamin.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Papia Khanum.
What does your father do?
My father is a police officer.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
What do you do?
I am a student of class 2.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I do.
Did you go to school yesterday?
Yes, I did.
What do you do in the morning?
First, I wake up. Next, I brush my teeth and wash my face and hands. Then I have my breakfast. After that, I get ready. Finally, I go to school.
What do you do at night?
First, I read books. Next, I have my dinner. Then I watch TV with my family. After that, I brush my teeth. Finally, I go to sleep.
আমি যাব।
I will go.
তুমি যাবে।
You will go.
আমরা যাব।
We will go.
তারা যাবে।
They will go.
সে যাবে।
He will go.
মাওয়া যাবে।
Mama will go.
রহিম যাবে।
Rahim will go.
মিম যাবে।
Mim will go.
আমি যাব না।
I won't go.
তুমি যাবে না।
You won't go.
আমরা যাব না।
We won't go.
তারা যাবে না।
They won't go.
সে যাবে না।
He won't go.
মাওয়া যাবে না।
Mama won't go.
রহিম যাবে না।
Rahim won't go.
মিম যাবে না।
Mim won't go.
আমি কি যাব?
Will I go?
তুমি কি যাবে?
Will you go?
আমরা কি যাব?
Will we go?
তারা কি যাবে?
Will they go?
সে কি যাবে?
Will he go?
মাওয়া কি যাবে?
Will Mama go?
রহিম কি যাবে?
Will Rahim go?
মিম কি যাবে?
Will Mim go?
আমি কি যাব না?
Won't I go?
তুমি কি যাবে না?
Won't you go?
আমরা কি যাব না?
Won't we go?
তারা কি যাবে না?
Won't they go?
সে কি যাবে না?
Won't he go?
মাওয়া কি যাবে না?
Won't Mama go?
রহিম কি যাবে না?
Won't Rahim go?
মিম কি যাবে না?
Won't Mim go?
থ্যাঙ্কস।
Welcome.